In order for you to make money online, somebody must buy something somehow online. So let's say you are selling this PlayStation controller. You have two options. Option number one is you buy a bunch of these controllers and you store them and you try to sell them online. This comes with its own challenges. First of all, you have to spend money upfront buying these controllers. Second, you have to hold an inventory. You have to have a place to store this. And how about if you didn't sell many of these? So that means you are losing money, or there is potential, there is a risk of losing money. Option number two is leave this controller the way it is, but you create partnership with the owner of the controller. Let's say, for example, Amazon. You create a partnership. That means you become an affiliate for Amazon. What you need to do is create content, give information online. Maybe it's video, maybe it's text in a blog post, or maybe they are images. Just give information about this controller, how good it is, how much it costs, and how to buy it. And every time somebody reads or sees your content, your information, and click and buys that product, the owner will pay you a commission of selling each controller. That's what's called affiliate marketing. So you are using someone else's product for a commission. That means you don't spend any money upfront. You don't have to store these controllers. All you do is create information, create content. That's affiliate marketing. If you want to start, if you want to know how, I have a link in the comments or bio, and good luck.